back to another video. So earlier this morning I went to the Pick and Bowl to grab a couple of things. So I'm missing the top garnishing plastic pieces on top of my engine, and I feel like it'll just look a lot cleaner with them on. So I went to go pick those up and a couple of other things, but I'm gonna go install those little pieces first because we're gonna go camping with Bradley and Bailey and everybody tonight. So I'm trying to get it done as soon as possible. Was the compressor for the 1UZ. We're gonna see if we can try to run AC inside my car. Hopefully it does, because I do drive my car quite a bit and it's just nice to be able to run some AC when it's hot. But it's super dirty and grimy, so I'm just gonna clean it off so that way when we work on it in the future it's not all dirty.
Out of the car.
It's pretty clean though now.
Yeah, at least it's silver now. Before it was all greasy. Yeah.
Yeah, it was all black. Yeah, but so far the plates look really good on them, or the plastic trim pieces, whatever they're called.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Like, see, it looks way better now that everything's dry.
Yeah.
Before it was wet, it looked kind of messy, but now it looks more uniform when it's dry.
Yeah.
So it looks really good.
Yeah, and we can repaint this later on whenever we get the chance to, but for now it looks really good. Did we get anything else? Oh, and we got the new ECU.
Or a spare one for now.
One. Yeah, so we'll just keep this on the side and just have it in case we need it later on.
Yeah.
Alright, so all the plastic pieces are back on top of the car, and I like it because it has that OEM look to it now. The only thing that I'll probably end up doing is painting the covers again, because some of the paint got burnt off in all those fires that we were having. So that's probably next on the to-do list, but right now we're gonna meet up with Bradley and Bailey.
Bailey. Left.
You're supposed to be giving us directions, bro.
Right. No.
But like,
I don't know why I said it like that. I don't know why I said it.
Did you just buy that bed?
No. I found it.
I found this over there. And then it pops, yeah. And then you have no bed. What? He said there's more air, so it's heavier now. And he's slamming it all over the rocks.
You know what's funny if we can't fit it no more?
Because it's so big.
Yeah. This is camping 101. Is it hammock? Yeah. Look, you guys got lights. Oh, is it hammock? Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, there. You guys got light at nighttime.
What?
Light.
It works?
Yeah, see on the pole. There's those LEDs.
What? That's hella cool.
Isn't this tent set up so fast, bro?
Yeah.
It's about 95 degrees right now. The sun is blazing, but we're gonna have a good time.
It feels like it's hotter than that.
It feels like it's way hotter than that. I don't know. We're gonna go check out the water down there and see what it's like.
Oh, I did fucking skip that shit. I didn't even see it.
He's so hyped.
If all the birds start chasing you.
Yeah.
This is what we came up with.
Let's see.
Riley's gonna try this one too. Alright guys, we got the fire going. He's like, those are my chanclas.
They're called. Wait. They're called my sneakers. They're called my sneakers. No, they're called. What are you saying? Oh, what did it say?
They're called my sandals.
They're called my sandals. Yeah.
Yeah, they're called my sandals. So dumb.
You want one, babe? Really? Can you make one?
Here, you want this one?
Hold out your hand.
You want mayonnaise on it? No?
I hella wanted this one. I hella wanted this one. I hella wanted it from so good.
Keep going because you really didn't want that one.
Yeah. Billy, you're irritating when you keep saying that.
Yeah. I hate you so much. Hey, go get the mayonnaise. In the truck. Still.
It's inside the cooler.
You gonna take the lantern?
I know, I need to take stuff.
It's scary back there.
Not scary.
Oh.
Just I'm a little scared.
Hey, bring the lantern back. I can't see.
Hold on, you gotta do this too.
You gotta squirt the mayonnaise on the ground.
No, because you know, in case it doesn't do that. How do I do it? Like this? How do you what?
Yeah, like however.
It's so back up.
Bailey, you ever put mayonnaise on a hot dog like that before?
Yeah. They're good?
Yeah, thank
Ew.
you.
Oh, for now.
Yeah, because some places are hotter than the others, you know?
Oh, this one looks super. Look at it, look at it. You see that?
You know what that reminds me of?
What? What does that remind you of? Bro, it's literally squirting. They're all squirting.
Good. I mean, this freaking cooking the inside. We want them all to look kind of burnt on the outside. Not burnt, but like, you know, cooked.
Dude, look, it's literally spitting. That's some big ass shrimps.
Those are lobsters, you stupid.
These shrimps are so big.
Those are my chanclas.
That's so funny.
Hey, if I drop them, would you guys still eat them?
Hell no.
Why not?
You walking all over this. You was stepping in the goose's doo-doo over there.
They're called my sandals.